If your power board isn't working, this could be the reason. In this video, I'll show you how to identify, test, and replace this little life-saving component using just a multimeter. So guys, this is one of the top electronic component and most electronic components in every SMPS board. Very important. The Varistor or the MOV, metal oxide Varistor. It is a voltage dependent resistor, and always you will find it in the EC input side. As you can see, fuse, input, plug, X2 safety capacitor, EMI filter, and we have the Varistor V101. So welcome to the episode number 26, where you gonna master the Varistor testing and understanding how it works. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. And don't forget that our challenge is to reach 1000 component testing, different components. And my friends, for anyone who want to thank me, the best way to say thank you for me is by liking and sharing the video. For anyone who want to support me, please like and share these videos with your friends. Finally, don't hesitate to comment below the video, because all videos I made are based on your comments and your questions. That's why I have decided to start testing components based on your comments. You get to choose what I test next. Just leave your suggestion in the comments, and the component that gets the most mentions will be the one I test in the next video. I am reading all your comments, so don't hesitate to share your ideas. And please, if you enjoy these videos and want to support my work, the best way to say thank you for me is by liking and sharing the video. It really helps a lot. So guys, let's learn about electronics together at a high level, one component at a time. So before starting this episode, which component should I test next? Please enter comments. Okay, so guys, let's begin with the theory part. As always, all courses are divided into two parts, a theory part and a practical part. Of course, for professionals and experienced technicians, engineers, you can move on directly to the practical parts, but I advise you to follow with me and do not miss any moment in this video if you want to understand 100%, especially when it comes to important components like the MOV or the metal oxide Varistor that you have to understand 100%. So let's get started with the theory part. So as you can see here, guys, this is the first board and this is the second board. Always the Varistor will find it in the input, as you can see. And here is the first question: what is the Varistor exactly means, and what is its working principle? So this component, guys, V101, is a MOV, metal oxide Varistor, often labeled as 471K or similar. It is a voltage dependent resistor that protects electronics from voltage spikes or surges, especially in power supplies. So please remember, this is not capacitor, this is a resistor, a special resistor. Of course, located right at the EC input side of the board, typically near the fuse. As you can see, we have here the fuse and the bridge rectifier. Same also for this board. We have the fuse and the bridge rectifier. Nice. Let's move on to the second question, and the most question that everyone waiting for: how to test V101 Varistor. How to test the MOV or the Varistor with multimeter. Easy, you need just the multimeter and the knowledge that you can find here in this channel, Electronic Repair Basics. So please, my friends, subscribe, hit the bell icon, because here you're gonna find how to test all kind of electronic components that you can imagine. So let's dive into step-by-step multimeter testing, using of course the resistance mode. So to test the Varistor, we use the ohm mode or the resistance mode. So first, of course, if you work in any device, you should first power off and discharge the board. Then set the multimeter to resistance mode. Let's select 200 ohm. Second, let's locate the Varistor terminals V101 in the back of the motherboard. So let's go to the back. So this is the two terminals, guys, with this symbol, and we have V101. So this is the two terminals. So please remember, look to the readings rule. Upline or high resistance means good Varistor. Very low resistance 0 to 10 ohm or continuity bip shorted, you have to replace it with the same lot number or reference. No reading or no reading at all open circuit may also indicate failure. In this case, replace the Varistor. So guys, let's select 2 mega ohm here, because the Varistor has a very high resistor, about 471k. So let's check. Guys, this is the Varistor terminals. Here, as you can see, we have V101, and this is the symbol basically for the Varistor. So let's check. Remember, one probe here in this side, another probe here. Okay, we get a high reading, about 1 mega ohm. So this is a good Varistor. So guys, this MOV component is a good one, and as I told you, this is the rule, as you can see here in the screen. So guys, how to identify the value of the MOV? Let's assume, for example, that you have a MOV that are labeled like 471k, means first 2 digits. 1 is the multiplier, add 10 to 47, means 470. K is the tolerance, means plus or minus 10%. So 471k means a 470 volt clamping voltage, and always replace with same voltage rating. Guys, here is one of the most important questions that everyone have to understand. Why the Varistor fails and what happens if it's bad? When it's bad, you will get unstable power. Sudden surges cause MOVs to absorb excess energy. Once damaged, the MOV becomes a short or burns out. A bad MOV can blow the fuse, can also blow the rectifier and make it fail, or even stop the entire PSU. If the MOV is shorted, the fuse will blow instantly. So guys, I hope that you understand about how to test the MOV or the Varistor component. Please don't forget that our challenge is to reach 1000 component testing different component. That's why I advise you to subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. And for anyone who want to thank me, the best way to say thank you is by liking and sharing this video. Thank you very much, and see you with another component.